Hypertension or high blood pressure is the force of your blood pushing against the walls of your arteries. Hello friends, welcome to GNext Group. Today in this video we'll talk about top 10 foods that can help you from getting high blood pressure and help you in lowering your blood pressure if it's already high. High blood pressure is sometimes called the silent killer because it produces no symptoms. So, the only way to find out if you have it is to get regular blood pressure checks from your doctor. When your blood pressure stays high over time, it causes the heart to pump harder and work overtime, possibly leading to serious health problems such as heart attack, stroke, heart failure, and kidney failure. Medication, regular exercise, and healthy diet plays an important role in treating high blood pressure and preventing possible complications. So let's begin with our countdown for top 10 foods to control high blood pressure. Number 10. Garlic. Garlic is a natural antibiotic food and is highly effective in treating hypertension or high blood pressure. According to researchers of a study published in Nutrition Research in 2014, garlic produces a chemical called allicin. It is an active ingredient associated with garlic's blood pressure lowering effect, especially in those who have high blood pressure or hypertension. Raw, fresh, or dried garlic may provide you with the most allicin. Some research also suggests that garlic increases the body's production of nitric oxide, which helps the smooth muscles to relax and the blood vessels to dilate. Therefore, people with high blood pressure are recommended to include garlic into their daily diet plan. Number 9. Kiwi fruit. Kiwi fruits are one of the most antioxidant rich fruits along with grapes and wild blueberries. They are rich in lutein, a potent antioxidant, and this may be what is responsible for their blood pressure lowering powers, said researchers of Oslo University Hospital in Norway. Research presented at the scientific meeting of the American Heart Association shows that eating 3 kiwis a day is linked with decreased blood pressure. The researchers compared the effects of apples and kiwis on people with slightly high blood pressure. They found that eating 3 kiwis a day improved 24-hour blood pressure more than an apple a day. Kiwis are also rich in vitamin C, which may significantly improve blood pressure readings in people who consumed around 500 mg of the vitamin every day for about 8 weeks. Number 8. Watermelon. Watermelons are loaded with citrulline and lycopene. These two powerful plant compounds plays an important role in managing high blood pressure. In the body, citrulline is converted into arginine, an amino acid that is needed for the production of a gas called nitric oxide. When nitric oxide is produced, it helps expand blood vessels, which boost better blood flow and prevents abnormal spike in blood pressure levels. Other vitamins and minerals in watermelon are also good for your heart health. These include vitamin C, vitamin B6, magnesium, and potassium. A study published in the American Journal of Hypertension also revealed that eating watermelon is good for heart health and can reduce the risk of heart problems in cold conditions. Number 7. Leafy green vegetables. Leafy green vegetables like spinach, kale, lettuce, collard greens, Swiss chard are low in calories, high in fiber, and packed with heart healthy nutrients like potassium, folate, and magnesium. These vegetables are also rich in natural nitrates, which help to manage blood pressure. A potassium rich diet helps the body become more efficient at flushing out excess sodium, which can raise blood pressure. Magnesium enables our tiny blood vessels to relax, helping to maintain elasticity and normal blood flow. A new study published in the journal Nutrients has also found that vegan diets can help lower blood pressure. A plant based diet can significantly improve a person's overall health. Number 6. Oatmeal. Eating a diet high in fiber can help your body maintain a healthy blood pressure and cholesterol levels. According to the USDA National Nutrient Database, 100 gram of fortified oats has 10 gram of fiber as well as 352 milligram of calcium and 359 gram of potassium. In some studies, both calcium and potassium have helped decrease blood pressure. In a study of folks with high blood pressure, eating fiber rich whole grain oats every day caused a significant dip in blood pressure readings. In fact, some people's pressure dropped so low that they needed less blood pressure medication. Number 5. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate contains more than 60% cocoa solids and has less sugar than regular chocolate. Most dark chocolate is high in flavonoids, particularly a subtype called flavonols that is associated with a lower risk of heart disease. A new Harvard study finds that eating a small square of dark chocolate daily can help lower blood pressure for people with hypertension. The study doesn't show exactly how dark chocolate affects blood pressure, but the researchers note that compounds called flavonols in cocoa may play a role. Number 4. Skim milk and yogurt. Skim milk and yogurt are an excellent source of calcium and also a decent source of potassium and magnesium. These nutrients together help in lowering blood pressure. A study among US adults found that greater intakes of skimmed milk and yogurt were associated with a smaller increase in systolic blood pressure and a lower risk of high blood pressure incidents per year. According to a 2016 study presented at the American Heart Association, women who ate 5 or more servings of yogurt a week experienced a 20% reduction in their risk for developing high blood pressure. Number 3. Beetroots. Beets are a low calorie food packed with a variety of nutrients. According to a study published in the Journal of Nutrition, drinking 1 glass of beetroot juice daily is enough to significantly reduce blood pressure in people with hypertension. The compound that makes beetroot a healthy veggie for high blood pressure is nitric oxide. It is a very strong chemical that causes your blood vessels to relax, which improves blood flow to your organs, muscles, and most importantly, your heart. A research review published in 2014 in nitric oxide and a study published in 2015 in hypertension both showed that a diet including inorganic nitrates from beet juice can lower blood pressure, improve the ability to exercise, boost oxygen delivery to the heart, and enhance the general health of blood vessels. Number 2. Berries. Berries are rich in bioactive compounds called anthocyanins, which belong to the bioactive family of compounds called flavonoids and are found in high amounts in raspberries, blackcurrants, blood orange juice, and blueberries. A new study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that bioactive compounds in blueberries called anthocyanins offer protection against hypertension. Compared with those who do not eat blueberries, those eating at least one serving a week reduce their risk of developing the condition by 10%. The researchers added that blueberries may not only help control high blood pressure but also may prevent people from developing hypertension. Number 1. Banana. Bananas are an extremely good source of potassium, fiber, and low in sodium. Several studies show that potassium and fiber rich diets reduce the risk of high blood pressure, heart disease, and stroke. Excess sodium in the body puts burden on blood vessels and also disrupts the water balance. Eating potassium rich foods reduces pressure on kidneys and also helps in getting rid of excess sodium in the body by flushing extra sodium out of your body through urine. Potassium also helps in maintaining fluid and electrolyte balance in the body, which helps control blood pressure. To incorporate more bananas into your diet, Add it to your cereal, cake, bread, smoothies, and milkshakes. Thanks for watching. To watch more videos like this, subscribe to our channel G Next Group.